Imagine a machine so sophisticated it predated the first mechanical clocks by over 1,000 years. A device built in ancient Greece that could predict eclipses, chart planetary motion, and until its discovery, we thought such technology was impossible. Welcome to the mystery of the Antikythera Mechanism.
Crafted around 150 to 100 BC, the Antikythera Mechanism was likely designed by Greek astronomers and engineers, possibly students of Archimedes. Built from dozens of intricately cut bronze gears, it was housed in a wooden box about the size of a shoebox. Its purpose? To model the complex dance of sun, moon, and planets with astonishing precision. In 1900, sponge divers off the coast of the Greek island Antikythera stumbled upon a Roman-era shipwreck. Among the statues and amphorae, they found corroded bronze fragments. At first glance, it looked like nothing more than curious metal scraps until X-rays in the 1950s revealed hidden gears. When scientists X-rayed the fragments, they discovered at least 30 gear wheels, some with as many as 223 teeth. By mapping the gear ratios, researchers realized it reproduced the 19-year metonic cycle, the 18.6-year lunar nodal cycle, and could even forecast eclipses via the Saros cycle. Imagine turning a small hand crank. Gears click, pointers sweep across dials, revealing phases of the moon and positions of Mercury, Venus, Mars, Jupiter, and Saturn. It's the world's first known analog computer.
Why does this matter?
The Antikythera Mechanism shatters our assumptions about the limits of ancient technology. For centuries, historians believed complex gearing appeared only in medieval Europe, but here, 2,000 years ago, Hellenistic engineers were already building computers. Today, high-precision replicas sit in museums, and computer scientists still marvel at the ingenuity that centuries of mechanical clockmakers would build upon. Despite decades of study, parts of the mechanism remain missing, and inscriptions are still being deciphered. What else could it tell us about ancient science? New imaging techniques keep peeling back layers of information, hinting at even more astronomical functions buried in bronze. The Antikythera Mechanism is more than an artifact. It's a testament to human curiosity and innovation. If you're blown away by this ancient computer, hit like, share this video, and subscribe for more deep dives into history's greatest engineering feats. What ancient mystery should we explore next? Drop your suggestions in the comments below.